Hello there, this is Nick Foulks from Drake & Associates with an educational economic update for November 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the major headlines that influenced markets in October and give you some insight into what it could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for the required disclosure statement. We want to start this month's conversation with a topic that's on everybody's minds, the presidential election. I think we can all agree that it has already been an unusual election season. The markets have reacted to this curveball with increasing volatility. The S&P hitting its lowest point since July, but then quickly recovered. But when you look past the current volatility and dig into October's markets, you'll see underlying data that is much more positive than the recent volatility and media hype would actually lead us to believe. In fact, at the same time that the markets were reacting to the election, we also learned two important details that show the economy is actually growing: the gross domestic product and the consumer spending report. First, the gross domestic product, or GDP, beat expectations. It had its biggest gain in 2 years. This result means that the economy is not only growing, but it's actually growing at a faster clip than was predicted by most economists. Second was a recent consumer spending report from September. It showed it had grown by 0.5% to reach a new all-time high. Personal income grew by 0.3% as well. In other words, people in the U.S. are earning and spending more money. That's good news for the economy. Now, I'm not saying that everything is perfect in the markets, but I agree with the economist Brian Westbury's description of our current situation as a plow horse economy. Unlike a racehorse who's fast and flashy but can only maintain speed for so long before breaking down, a plow horse plods along one step after another. The motion is slower and less exciting, but plow horses have stamina and strength, and they're faster than to fall off. As we look forward, we can probably see a lot of this plow horse mentality. Now, the election is going to probably continue to cause volatility in the near term, and typically this volatility does not even stop after the markets are over. So remember that the economy is still growing. In fact, 86% of respondents to the CNBC poll believe that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates at their next month's meeting. Another strong indication that the Great Recession is getting farther away with each passing day. We might not have a completely smooth ride, but I still believe that we are still steadily moving in the right direction. I know that the headlines and media hype can be disconcerting, but as always, we're here to keep you informed and share the information you need to have a clear view of where you stand. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Nick Foulks with Drake & Associates signing off for the month of November 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please just give us a call. We'd be happy to talk with you. We have some upcoming Social Security classes and retirement classes in the surrounding Milwaukee area. You can visit our website, wealthwisconsin.com, to learn a little bit more about that. And be sure to listen to our radio show, Retirement Ready, on AM 620 WTMJ4 Saturdays at 1 p.m. While we believe this information of the report to be reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services are provided by Drake & Associates, LLC, a state of Wisconsin registered investment advisor. Insurance products are offered through a separate company, Loft Financial Advisory Group, LLC, a Wisconsin insurance agency. Clients are under no obligation to purchase any recommended insurance products.